In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together this two-tiered side table. It's really easy, but you might not know where to start. That's why I'm making this video. Let's do it. First thing I'm going to do is take all the parts out of the box and lay them out, see what we got. Good. That's the top. Probably a good idea to inspect for any damage. This is looking good. Bracket. And all the hardware. And depending on how good I do in this video, you may or may not need the instructions. Just gonna take all this hardware out. They're all labeled with letters. First step is we need this piece, which is labeled 2, and then this one, which is labeled 1, and then we're going to need one of these, which is labeled B. B are the bolts, and F is the hex wrench, or the Allen wrench. I'll grab one of these. I'm going to stand this up like this, so the big part goes like this, and then hold this one up just like this. And we're going to put a bolt in the bottom, and it's going to go into here. Just wiggle it around. You want to go kind of back and forth because you don't want to cross thread this, which basically just creates its own thread on the bolts and messes it up, so you don't want to do that. So I'll just hand tighten that for now. Now we need this piece, which is labeled 3, and then we need 2 of these bolts, which are labeled A. On this piece, you can see these right here are going to be like this. So they're going to be up, and then they're going to go on top right here with this piece kind of centered. And then we can put those bolts in. Again, just get it started by hand. And one right here too. This is why we don't tighten anything yet, because you got to wiggle it around and make sure it goes in properly. So this is going to go just like this, and the bolts are going to go down here. More of these that are labeled B. I'll start right here. I'll do the other side. Line these up. Now I can take this bag, these right here, this is labeled E, and these are going to protect your floor, but you can also use them to adjust the table if your floor is out of level. So they're just like adjustable feet. They have like a, I don't know if it's rubber or plastic, but they'll be better than metal. I'm just going to go all the way down because I have carpet, so it's not going to matter much for me. And finally, we can take the top. This is labeled 4. Take this sticker off, and then we can put this upside down, right down here. And you'll notice there's 4 bolt holes down here and only 3 places here. So you can put it either way. Just line them up like that and put more of the B bolts in there. B for bolts. And then finally, with all the bolts in, we can take our Allen wrench and tighten them all up. I'm going to start with the bottom, which is actually the top. These are going into plastic, so don't go too crazy tight. Just make sure they're tight. I'll do these ones before this one right here. And then I'm going to tighten all of these. And then you can tighten this middle one. And finally, this one right here. Okay, now we can flip it over. We have a table. It's nice. 2 tiers, one here, and if you have to adjust it, you can just by holding it up like this and unscrewing those. Easy peasy. So, if you had to put this table together, hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.